Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect hummus. We will start by gathering our key ingredients. For truly exceptional hummus, begin with high-quality chickpeas, whether canned or dried. Next, you'll need a good tahini, which is a sesame paste, to give it that signature creamy texture. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is crucial for brightness, and a clove or two of garlic will provide a wonderful aromatic depth. These foundational elements are key to a delicious result. Now let's prepare our chickpeas. If using dried, soak them overnight, then cook until they are incredibly tender, almost mushy. This is vital for a smooth hummus. In your food processor, combine about 1/2 cup of tahini with 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and blend for about 1 minute until light and fluffy. Then, gradually add your cooked chickpeas, along with a few tablespoons of ice water, blending to combine. Achieving the perfect texture is next. Continue blending, slowly adding more ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until your hummus reaches a light, airy, and incredibly smooth consistency. This might take about 5 minutes of continuous blending. Now, it's time to taste and adjust. Add salt to your liking, and perhaps a little more lemon juice for brightness. A small pinch of ground cumin can also add a lovely depth of flavor. Finally, let's talk about serving and storing your homemade hummus. Transfer your creamy creation to a shallow bowl, create a swirl, and drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, garnish with a sprinkle of paprika, fresh chopped parsley, or a few toasted pine nuts. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and delicious for about 3 to 5 days. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.